Hello guys, what's up? I want to share with you this amazing news from Bor Mayor. So I think this is a great message. You guys can see, when it is something useful, I never hesitate to talk about it. So I like it. I want to show you guys why it is very important. So here you can see South Sudan TV say that I think this message come from Bor Town, Jonglei State, South Sudan. So here they say that Mayor of Bor Municipality has issued an order banning alcohol and local breweries in the town. I think this is amazing news, by the way. For a leader to ban these things, I think this is a good move because alcohol is the enemy of progress. You guys know that. Okay, let me simply read the message right here. Okay, they say that Honorable Samuel Aten Page, the mayor of Bor Municipal Council, banned the sale of alcohol and local wine with the material used to produce them. Police Operation Unity implemented the order started by the former mayor James Guy McCool. The mayor appreciated the joint work shown by security organ in Botown to put order into practice. So I think this is a good move by guys. I really like this thing. Let me click this one, this picture. I think you guys can see that this guy did amazing job. So I like that. Let me show you guys some of the things. Okay, so these are the breweries or what they use to make alcohol. So I think that is a good move for the people of Bor to banish this. Okay, alcohol is an enemy, let me tell you guys. Okay, that's no joke. So there you can see they are trying to to remove them from the system. You guys can see that. I think this is amazing job. It's amazing news. So a leader should focus on how his people going to progress. So this is amazing. Let's look at that. So I think this is cool, and that's why I want to share it with you guys, because this is amazing news. Okay, so enemy of progress should be eliminated. The enemy of progress is alcohol, because alcohol is number one. Alcohol do not allow people to work together, so it is an enemy. So it should be banished. It should be banished for good in the community. So and I believe that this update from Botown is a good news. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.